guys, we gotta talk about this bloodbath that is happening on Bed Bath & Beyond. So take a look. The stock just dropped 21% today. It went through, if we look the past month, guys, the stock is up 256%. So Bed Bath & Beyond is a meme stock, guys. If you look in the end of July, the beginning of the month, this was trading at $4, not even $5, $4.55. Currently trading at 18. Yesterday, this morning, guys, it was at 20. Yesterday, yesterday it hit $29. I'm going to show you guys over the week. Yesterday we were at 27. It hit in the morning. I saw it was at 29, almost $30. So it hit 30. August 17th between 9:30 and 10. I think that was yesterday. Or on the 18th. So that was yesterday, guys. $29. The stock is currently at $18. What did I do yesterday, guys? I decided to do something very risky. Now, this is a meme stock. So this is not based. You see this has been exploding. It's still up 66% for the week. This is not based on any fundamentals at all. Bed Bath & Beyond is not doing good. It probably belongs around $4. But guys, pretty much the apes took over the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's been a few weeks that the apes are taking over the stock. And guys, they made it jump all the way from $4 to $29 yesterday. Some people probably made a ton of money. So congratulations if you did. I took a position, guys, yesterday. I took a position to short the stock. At some point, why I did this is because I saw the overall market starting to drift down a little bit. And I think it's been going up so high that we're going to hit at some point a resistance level. And yesterday we started seeing the market go sideways, even drifting down a little bit. So that being said, and then Bed Bath & Beyond just kept going up 30%, 40% a day. No. Yesterday, I took a position to short it. It was at lunch. I wish I would have done it earlier in the day, but I didn't. I didn't do it when it was at 29. I did it when the stock was at about $25.50, almost $26. I took a position, not a big position, one contract for $400. I'm going to show you guys. I don't have access to my phone at work, so I can't be on the stocks all day. So it's a little bit hard for me to time things, but I try my best. Guys, I sold this morning my contract. I bought it yesterday at $3.95. You guys can see on the screen right now. On August 17th, I bought a put at $25 put at $3.95. I sold it this morning, guys, on August 18th at $700 at 9:30, right at opening. I didn't want to push. I could have made more money actually if I would have kept it a little bit longer, but the contract expires tomorrow. This is a very big, this was a 2-day contract, very risky, very, very risky. I bought the contract for $400, sold it for a total of $700 for a $300 profit over a $400 contract, which is over about a $75 profit, a 75% profit over 1 day, 12 hours really. Outstanding, guys. I'm so happy. Now, did I do the best that I could potentially do on it? No. But this is a super risky play, and you guys see it's already kind of jumping back up a little bit. It's bouncing off the bottom. It hit a bottom of 1650. Imagine selling the contract there. But the goal is not to be perfect, guys. No one's perfect. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to do well and to lock in some profit. I don't think I could be complaining about a 75% profit on this. Yesterday, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I got really scared. I almost got rid of the contract. I bought it at 2:30. Starting 3 o'clock, I can't look at my phone. By 3 o'clock, the contract was minus $60 on a $400 contract. I was down $60. I almost stopped the loss. I almost was like, you know what, stop the loss. This is uncontrollable. You don't know when the stock could very much jump tomorrow 50%, guys. These are not based on fundamentals. We don't know what's going to happen. These are movements. That's why as soon as you see the trend change, that's when you make your call. Yesterday, I saw the trend change from 29. It started dipping. It went back to around 25. I bought in the contract. It actually started drifting back up a little bit. That's when I got worried. I was afraid that by the time I'd get off of work and look at my phone around 6 p.m., that contract would have lost half of its value and that the stock would be up at $29 again, even maybe 30. Would have been very possible. I took the risk. It was risky. I got off. I was at plus $156, guys. Awesome news. I decided to sell it as soon as the market would open. Seeing that the stock kept going down. In pre-market, it gained back up a little bit. It almost went, if you look at the pre-market, guys, over one day, yeah, it hit 21 again. It hit 21 when it was down to like, I saw it last night around after our market around 18.5, and then this morning I saw the recovery at 21. I sold it right at open, guys. I'm super happy. Locked in a $400 profit, a $300 profit. Super happy with it. Anyways, let's keep it short. Overall market, guys. Let's take a super quick look, guys. Things are up and down. Things are a little bit up and down. I kind of see this as I took some of my profit that I took and I put it back onto Palantir and Shopify. I bought a little bit more of Shopify, a little bit more of Palantir this morning. Shopify is currently trading at $36.75. I bought it in at, I'm going to show you guys, be very transparent about everything I do. I'm not perfect. I try my best, guys. This is no financial advice. So about 7 more shares, guys, after selling the contract at $36.40. It did drift back up all the way, guys. I scored really good because I scored around this time. And then it came back up all the way to 37, 38. Now it's drifting back down. I'm not selling my Shopify's shares anytime soon. So I'm just trying to, at this point, get a bigger position in certain stocks that I feel like have a huge potential. I mean, if you take the 1 year, we're down 75%. The stock was trading at 176. We're currently trading at $36. There's clearly an upside for it on Shopify. Clearly. The goal is not to be perfect, guys. It's to try to do our best, to try to time things. It's very hard to be perfect, you know, to try to do the best potential move, to sell at the very highest, to buy at the very lowest. Yeah, it's all good and set on paper, but in reality, it's very rare if you can make it happen. So the goal is to lock in some profits, which I'm really happy we did today. I also bought a little bit more Palantir. Palantir is actually drifting lower. I might buy a little bit more. But I would like to see things dipping more before putting more money into the market. That's kind of what I'm waiting right now. Very happy about Snapchat, guys. I'm up. This was a risky play. I bought in on the earnings after it dropped like 40% in one day. I put actually quite a chunk. I put $3,400, but I am up at this point 18% on it for $540 return. This is all within 2 weeks. I'm going to be super transparent, show you guys. I started buying July 28th. Yep. No, actually, I started buying. Let me be real. This is when I started going heavy on this. July 21st, and I was starting to buy at 12. It kept going lower. I bought a big portion here at $10. Now we're currently trading for a sweet little profit at $12.44. Yep. We hit a little peak this morning, $12.78. We're drifting down. I'm going to hold it a little bit longer, and I'm hoping that if you take the year, I mean, Snapchat is not doing good, guys, at all. But we were at a high of 78, almost 80 over 1 year. I could see this hitting another, like a 20, doubling the money. You know, I'm not going to hold this for a very long time, but you can see there's some resistance around 20, around 40. Around 40, there's a really big resistance line. So we'll see where Snapchat takes us. But anyways, I wanted to talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's not talk about the overall market. But anyways, it's good stuff, guys. Happy investing. Remember, this is no financial advice. I'm just trying to do my best, trying to keep you updated with what I'm doing. Make sure you subscribe. We'll do an update in a couple of days, and I'm out. I'm out. Happy investing. Booyah.